Welcome back, house hunters. In this week's episode from Discover the Overseas, we are heading back to southern Spain. When people think of Costa Blanca, they usually think of perfect weather, miles and miles of amazing beaches, and incredible Spanish cuisine. Today, I will show you that you could make your dream of retiring here or buying a holiday home a reality. This wonderful sun-drenched area of the world is probably more affordable than you think. For the last year, I have been searching for the best deals in the best locations all over Spain, Italy, and Portugal, and posting them here on my channel. If any of these countries interest you, check out my playlist specific to each one here, or watch my full channel playlist if you are still deciding on which country you like best. This week we are going to be focusing on properties all within minutes of the crystal clear Mediterranean Sea on the Costa Blanca. So stick around as I show you 4 incredible properties at affordable prices on the coast. Spain is divided into 17 autonomous regions known as Comunidades Autónomas. Costa Blanca is a 200-kilometer strip of coastline in the province of Alicante, which is in the region of Valencia on the southeastern coast of Spain. Costa Blanca stretches from Denia in the north all the way down to Pilar de la Horidada in the south. This area has thousands of years of history with incredible architecture and many castles to visit. And of course, its main attraction is its hundreds of kilometers of beautiful sandy beaches, which brings in over 9 million tourists each year, and it's over 320 days of sunshine per year. Daytime average temperatures rarely fall below 15 degrees Celsius and stay in the 20s and 30s for most of the year, so you can leave your sweaters at home. There are many different cities and towns dotted along the coastline, leaving you rich with choices. The first area we will look at is Lomas de Polo-Pinomar, which is a small urban area surrounded by parks, a lagoon, beaches, and the sea, and a population of only 250 people. It sits just south of Guardamar del Segura and just north of Torrevieja, in a great location. This area is perfect for those wanting miles of beach and crystal clear waters right on your doorstep, with some of the best weather in the world. The area is quiet and feels like living in a small neighborhood, all while still having access to everything you need only minutes away. Our first property is in a beautiful building with a south-facing terrace and is 45 square meters. The living room has access to the terrace and is open to the dining room and kitchen. The kitchen could use some updating, but I don't think it would cost too much to just replace with a brand new kitchenette. There is a small single bedroom with enough room for a stand-up wardrobe, and a single bathroom with a bathtub. The complex has a restaurant, a swimming pool, playground, tennis court, and soccer field close by, as well as the beach with easy walking access and bike lanes all around this area. This is a great area, with plenty of restaurants just a few minutes away, and plenty of shops as well. From the apartment, it is only a 6-minute bike ride to where most of the shops and restaurants are, and it is also only around a 15 to 20-minute walk as well. You are just minutes from walking on the beach and dipping your toes in the sea. If there is anything you can't find or you want a nice day out, the famous Torrevieja is just 10 minutes by car, and you can take a bus there as well. Also, you are only around 50 minutes to Alicante by car for anything else you need, or for a day trip. You can also get a bus to Alicante in just over an hour, which runs every 60 minutes. And finally, the closest airport is Alicante Airport, which is just under 45 minutes away. You do have several other airports nearby giving you different flight options such as Murcia San Javier Airport and Region de Murcia Airport, which are both south. And there is also Valencia Airport, which is north of Alicante. This property is for sale for 70,000 euros or around $81,000. This is perfect for someone wanting a peaceful urban area right next to the beach, with a large expat community nearby. It would also make a great holiday let, as well as this area has people visiting year-round. Our next property is in the heart of Costa Blanca in Alicante, which is one of the most important tourist destinations on the east coast of Spain, and has a population of around 350,000 people. This area offers many golf courses and attractions, sitting at the foot of the castle of Santa Barbara, with the old quarter located at the bottom of this fortress. This area is a land of deep-rooted popular traditions with several festivals, and the star of their local cuisine is rice, cooked a million different ways. Our second property has 2 bedrooms with multiple balconies and is 70 square meters. The kitchen is a good size and has an outdoor covered balcony with a washing machine, boiler, and sink. From the hallway, the first bedroom is bright and a good size with room for wardrobes. Across from there is a full bathroom with a bathtub shower. Then off the living room is another bright bedroom with doors out to its own large private balcony. The living room is a great size with plenty of light as well. It also has an open balcony, perfect for soaking in some sunshine, as well as a covered balcony, great on those cooler or rainy days. This property is in a great area with many restaurants close by, as well as plenty of shops and many bus stops, and even tram lines through this area, keeping you well connected. By car, you are just 15 minutes to the marina and beaches. You could also get there with a variation of bus or tram in around 30 minutes, or you could just walk in about 45 minutes, or even ride your bicycle in just over 10 minutes. The best part is you are only a 15-minute drive to Alicante Airport. Or you could get there via public transport in just over 40 minutes. You also do have the choice of the same other 3 airports nearby as the first flat. This property is for sale for 75,000 euros, or around $87,000. This property is perfect for someone wanting to live in the city with the beach easily accessible and with all amenities and plenty of activities of a city on your doorstep. The next area we will look at is one of the very well-known places along the Costa Blanca, Guardamar del Segura, with a population of around 18,000 people, and with around 40% of its population being foreign residents, making this place very welcoming and perfect for those wishing to move somewhere but still find a large community of people from where they are from. Guardamar is famous for its 10-kilometer-long beach and its large forest, which has attracted many wildlife to the area and was originally planted to protect the city from large blasts of sandstorms coming off the dunes. The city also has a couple national parks, perfect for getting out for walks or bike rides when you don't feel like hitting its famous palm tree-lined beaches. Our next property is bright and sunny from the south-facing windows and front door terrace and is around 27 square meters. It is in a beautiful apartment block that has just had the elevator recently modernized. It is a studio but is laid out well to make it feel bigger than it is. The living room and dining room and bed area is all open to the kitchen, but is in good condition with cupboards along the wall. The kitchenette is small, but everything fits nicely, and it still manages to squeeze in a big fridge. Just behind the kitchen is the bathroom with a stand-up shower and full vanity. You can see the ocean right from the windows. And just outside below is lovely, and even has outdoor showers to wipe the sand off before you head inside. Guardamar is an amazing area to live, with many restaurants to choose from, as well as plenty of shops, and always with the beach just steps away. You have the option of driving to Torrevieja in just 15 minutes, or you could get there by bus in just 30 minutes, as well as visiting Alicante by car in just 45 minutes, or you can get there by public transport in only around an hour. You can also get to Alicante Airport by car in just over 30 minutes. And you still have the option of the other 3 airports as the other 2 flats when looking for flights. This property is for sale for 78,000 euros or around $90,000. This would be perfect for someone wanting to live in a great town with plenty of other expats that is still close to major airports and cities but doesn't feel as bustling as a big city. It could also make a great holiday let if that is what you are looking for. The final area we will look at today is Torrevieja, which has a population of around 83,000 people. The port city is vibrant, contemporary, completely modern, and enjoys an enviable beachfront location. The sun is the lifeblood of the local community, and a locale possesses a rich social calendar of events, incredible fiestas, and an annual spring carnival replete with everything you would expect in Rio de Janeiro. Torrevieja has 6 incredible Blue Flag accredited beaches, and it is still very diverse with protected natural wetlands that are home to thousands of migratory African birds, including the majestic greater flamingo. All the modern amenities residents and visitors have come to expect are available with as many as 600 restaurants to choose from. Our final property today is in a beautiful building just steps away from the sea. It is a studio with a private west-facing balcony and is 35 square meters. The inside of the building is lovely and well taken care of and was built in 1974. Once you step inside, you can see the living room, dining room / bedroom is a nice bright space with the balcony windows making it feel more open. The kitchen is separate and has a washing machine fit in with a big fridge as well, and making good use of the space. And the bathroom has everything you need with bidet and full bathtub with shower. Torrevieja is a fantastic area to live with endless amounts of restaurants, as well as endless shopping. You have a couple options when it comes to cities to visit, with Murcia being around an hour's drive away. And you have Alicante being just under an hour for a lovely day out. You can also get public transport to Alicante in around an hour, but to get to Murcia, it would take around 2 hours. For airports, Alicante Airport is around a 45-minute drive, and you could get there in around an hour by public transport as well. Or you have the option to go to Murcia Airport, which takes around an hour by car. But from here, Murcia San Javier Airport is only a 40-minute drive, which means you are really close to a smaller airport, making Torrevieja a very central location for choices of flights. This property is for sale for 78,900 euros, or around $91,000. This property is in a fun and vibrant location with amazing weather year-round and would be great to move into or use as a holiday let. Do you think Costa Blanca is somewhere you could picture yourself retiring in? Is there somewhere else that you would like me to make a video on? Leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel where I release a new video every Saturday. Check out my previous videos on Spain here. See you next week and happy house hunting!